Hi, this is Senthil Kumar Tyagarajan, physiotherapist. You are watching a lot of videos related to chiropractic and chiropractitioners and osteopath. They keep some mics near to the joints and they do some movements. After they did that movement, automatically it creates a sounds. Is that sounds creates a cure? Is that sounds is creates a recovery? Uh, you can ask like this. Sometimes when my patient is asking, I don't have answer, but my question is, okay, you are cracking the joints, but when you have a muscular weakness, when you have a joint stiffness due to muscle, when your muscle is not functioning, who will work for the muscles? Okay, joint is functioned by muscle. Muscle is needed to work. Muscle is important. Then